Hello, I'm Jim Kruper, President of KioWare Kiosk System Software. While COVID-19 has certainly brought the subject of self-service kiosk touchscreen cleanliness to the forefront, in reality, especially for food service, it has been an issue needing to be addressed for some time now. Today, we are introducing KioTouch as a safe and easy alternative to needing to physically touch a kiosk display. Across grocery and retail stores and quick service restaurants, it is reported that of all the bacteria in those facilities, over 60% are potentially harmful to humans. KioTouch will help prevent the spread of bacteria and virus by giving the kiosk user the ability to have full access to the kiosk interface solely by use of their personal mobile device. They never have to touch the kiosk screen.
Let's see KioTouch in action. You'll see there's a QR code displayed on the kiosk screen. I will take my cell phone and scan it, which quickly displays a mouse pad on my phone that I can use to control the mouse on the kiosk. I'm ordering juice. We'll say orange juice. And a bagel, wheat bagel. Go down, order coffee, small dark roast. And finally, water. Spring water. And we're hungry, so let's change the quantity on the wheat bagel. We'll go with 3. Now let's place the order. And you'll see there's a place for me to enter my name, and a keypad shows up on my phone. I enter in George. And of course, I can't spell, so I'm going to fix it. And then finish the transaction. Once the transaction is done, KioTouch can display whatever content you wish to display. Now in our case, it's just going to be our website, but it can be whatever you wish. How does KioTouch work? KioTouch does not require a kiosk user to download, install, and configure an application to interact touchlessly with the kiosk. They just need to scan a QR code, and the only communication necessary with the KioTouch web service is passing mouse movement and keyboard entries. This requires minimal bandwidth that is perfect for ensuring reliable operation in typical retail establishments. It is safe and lightweight, and the kiosk user never needs to touch the kiosk. When the kiosk session is complete, kiosk deployer can configure KioTouch to display whatever content they wish on the mobile device. Most importantly, this occurs after they are done with the kiosk and not holding up the next kiosk user. If already a KioWare client, then KioTouch is merely an upgrade away. If not, then the KioTouch API is available for you to easily add KioTouch to your application. Please contact us directly for pricing and support at sales@kioware.com.